There is no shortage for organic material in forest areas. But in plains, there is no forest and hence no dry leaves or herbage for organic manure production. Then the other option is to powder the waste materials available on the farm. Midrib of the coconut leaves, dry twigs of any plant, cotton and sunflower plants after harvest can produce enough organic material for the purpose. Bio-shredders of various brands have entered the market for this purpose. This machine runs with 5 or 10 HP electric motor or 6.5 or 13 HP petrol engine. It can be attached to a mini tiller also. Acceptability of this machine by the farmer is yet to be established since electricity and petrol are scarce and costly inputs in recent years. Tea plantation needs workers on large scale for the harvest of tea leaves. Delay in harvesting brings down the quality of tea powder. Agri-made tea harvester has entered the market to counter this problem. This two-man operated machine runs with 25cc 2-stroke petrol engine. 2 blades sliding on each other with reciprocal movement cut the tea sprouts. Airstream at high speed from the bent pipes in front of the cutting blades pushes the cut leaves into the bag behind. The entire machine weighs 8.5 kilograms. It is not difficult to operate this machine by holding like this on the tea plant. It takes 2 to 3 hours for a new operator to run this harvester at uniform height. Fluctuation in the height will cut matured leaves also, which would spoil the quality of the whole stock. Tea plantations facing acute shortage of labor are using this tea harvester successfully. Tea plants need pruning at half height once in 3 to 4 years. This is necessary to get healthy sprouts and a better yield. It is very laborious to cut off this hard plant manually. Tea pruners are extensively used for this purpose in recent years. This is another version of regular brush cutter machine. Carbide tip circular blade with 100 teeth is attached for this purpose. This sharp blade with high RPM cuts the plant stem without splitting. This machine has replaced the manual pruning in most of the plantations. Farmers use similar type of circular blades to cut firewood and small trees. Pruning mulberry plants at the base once in a year is practiced to produce fresh growth. Similar machine is being used for this purpose also. Working with this machine is easy and very fast compared to manual work. Company-made special circular blade is in use for this work. Hence, brush cutter is helpful for our farmers in many ways. Harvesting of coffee berries coincides with paddy and areca nut harvest in many areas, creating acute labor shortage. In the Robusta variety of coffee, the berries are harvested at a time after all berries are ripe. Simple equipment from Gulliver Company is available for the purpose. This works with a rechargeable battery. These 2 rods rotate in opposite direction. It also produces vibration sufficient to separate the berries from the shoot. There is a fixed gap between these 2 rods which avoids damage to the shoots and shedding of leaves in operation. However, there is no much difference between working with this equipment and manual harvesting except the speed of the work. Spreading tarpaulin is unavoidable. Harvesting with this equipment will save time up to 50%. Many farmers use compressor pump for washing cattle shed and also the animals. High pressure washer is the best alternative for this work. It consumes very less water and is portable. However, we should not use full pressure for animals. Washing with high pressure washer will eliminate ticks from the cattle shed. It needs 2 kilowatt electricity. Discharge rate is 7 liters per minute. High pressure washer is being used to clean cement floors covered with algal growth. It can clean feeder and other equipment in poultry farm. It is the best machine for washing vehicles. Apart from these, it may be used to sprinkle water for curing new constructions, cleaning compound wall, etc. Hence, high pressure washer can be a multi-purpose equipment which saves time of day-to-day work. High pressure washer of Agri, Oleomac, Comet and many more brands are available in the open market.